Okay, today's class we have to discuss about a hexagonal plane resting on one of its corners on HP. Okay, so at the same time we have to discuss about the condition for beta problem. So in order to arise the beta problem, what is the condition? The first condition is whatever the plane it is resting, it has to rest whether it is on HP or VP, but it has to rest on one of its corners. At the same time, while resting on one of its corners, it has to pass on the perpendicular bisector or diagonals. So the second position and third position should pass with respect to one of its corners as well as one of its diagonals. Have got this? Right, this is the condition for beta problem. So whether it is resting on one of its corners or edges in the first position, while in the second and third position it has to pass with one of the perpendicular bisectors or the diagonals. Those conditions will get a beta problem. At the same time, all the conditions are satisfied not to get the beta problem, but word appear on the problem, then we won't get a beta problem. Don't get confused. Apart from these sentences, what I have written here, the third condition, if all these conditions are satisfied, but in third condition in the problem appears word is appeared in the problem, then we won't get a beta problem. Okay, now this problem relates to the beta problem. So this is a hexagonal, it is resting on one of its corners on HP, right? How to draw a hexagonal lamina, hexagonal plane? Draw 30 mm first on the base. First draw a 30 mm. Later internal angle of the hexagon is 120 degrees. Right. After take your protractor, keep your protractor at the point B. Measure 120 degrees. Later measure BC with your compass. Put your compass at the point B. Cut an arc. We will get a point called as A. The same procedure you have to repeat it back at the point C. Then you will get point D. Again, don't change your compass. Measure BC with your compass. Put your compass at the point A, cut an arc. Put your compass at the point D, cut an arc. Now draw from the point B a 90-degree line. These two 90-degree lines from the point B and C should come and touch to this arc. Then we will get the point called as F and E. F and E. Then you can able to create an hexagonal plane. Now the corresponding view you have to draw a corresponding view. So this is called as A dash intersection of B and F. We will get a point called as B dash and F dash. Intersection of C and D will get point. You will get a point C dash and C dash of E dash. Intersection of D will get a point called as D dash. The second, according to the problem number 41, you can able to see in the primer. So whatever inclination on the HP, you have to draw it on VP. He has given in the problem inclination on HP is 45 degrees. So I have written in VP. So after drawing a 45 degrees line, measure A dash, D dash with your compass. Put your compass in at the point A dash, cut an arc. You will get a point called as D dash. Now measure A dash, C dash of E dash. This measurement. Put your compass in at the point A dash, cut an arc. You will get the point called as C dash of E dash with the same measurement. Don't change your compass. Put your compass in at the point D dash, cut an arc below. You will get the point called as B dash of F dash. After drawing this, you have to draw a corresponding view. Intersection of A dash and A will give the point called as A. Intersection of B dash and B will give the point called as B. Same, C dash or C will give the point called as C. D dash and D will get the point called as D. E dash E will get a point called as E. F dash and F you will get a point called as F. The next one is how to draw a beta problem. Okay, we already discussed in the class how to draw a beta problem. So with respect to the problem, he has given 30 degrees with respect to HP, with respect to VP. So I have drawn it on HP. He has given in the problem with respect to the VP 30 degrees. So I have drawn it on HP. After drawing a 30 degrees line, first you have to take the measurement. First position top view, AD, because he has given in the problem it is resting on one of its diagonals. So this is the diagonal. So AD. So after measuring with your compass AD, so what I have done, I have drawn a 30 degrees line. Later take anywhere a point called as A on the 30 degrees line. Cut an arc. This arc measurement is of first position top view AD. Cut an arc. Later draw a parallel line. This parallel line what you are drawing, this parallel line is as parallel as that of xy line. This line and xy line should be parallel to each other. Later second position top view, measure AD with your compass. Put your compass near the point A. Cut an arc along your parallel line. This point is called as D. Connect AD and extend the line further. This line has to come and touch to this xy line. Then you can able to measure this line. It is nearly a 44 degrees. Right. Later you already got a point. A and D. A and D. Remaining points. If the point A and D comes here, the point B, C and F, E should come here. How to draw this? Measure AB, put your compass at the point A, cut an arc. Right? Measure DC, put your compass at the point D, cut an arc. Later measure DB, put your compass at the point D, cut an intersecting arc. This point is called as B. At the same procedure, don't change your compass. Put a compass near the point A, cut an arc. You will get a point C. Got it? So the same procedure you have to do it for the F and E. Right? Later project it upwards. Intersection of A and A dash will give the point called as A. Intersection of B and B dash will give the point called as B dash. Intersection of C and C dash will give the point called as C dash. Intersection of D and D dash will give the point called as D dash. Intersection F and F dash will give the point called as F dash. Right? F dash. Okay, now join A dash, B dash, B dash, C dash, C dash, D dash, D dash, E dash, E dash, F dash and F dash, A dash with your scale. Again I will repeat it here. How to draw this? After getting A and B, after getting A and B, if A and D comes here, B and C will come here and F and E will come here. Right? So how to do this? Measure AB, put your compass at the point A, cut an arc. Already you got the point called as D. Measure DB with your compass. Put your compass at the point D, cut an intersecting arc. Then you will get a point called as B. The same procedure you have to do it here. Measure AC with your compass. Put your compass at the point A, cut an arc. Already you got this point B. So measure BC, put your compass at the point B, cut an arc. You will get a point called as C. So the same procedure you have to do it on F and E. So here in this problem, appear word is not appeared in the problem. So you get a beta problem. Of course, yes, according to the problem, A and D, it is passing with one of its diagonals. So you will get a beta problem. Hope you will understand this problem. It is very important. Okay, any doubts, you will retrieve it back to me immediately after practicing your session. Thank you.